Hi everyone, let's learn HTML in this tutorial series. It's very easy to learn, no need any prerequisite knowledge for this. Let's start. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's widely used markup language for developing, that is creating web pages. Markup language means structure or format of the web page content. Here, HTML page consists of series of elements. Each tells the browser how to display the page content to the user. Let's see HTML document structure. For understanding HTML document structure, we need to know what is HTML elements are. So before understanding this, let's see what is HTML elements. We saw HTML consists of series of elements. It tells the browser how to display the page contents to the user. So let's see HTML elements. HTML elements means it's a section of an HTML document. We can define HTML element by providing a start tag, then end tag. In between that, we can add our content. For example, there are many elements in HTML. Each we will see in our upcoming videos. Here, H1 element defines heading. Let's see an example of heading element. Heading element used to display heading in our HTML page. HTML headings are defined with H1, H2 to H6 tags. Each we will see later. Let's see H1 only here. To define heading element, we need to provide start tag, then end tag. In between start and end tag, we have to provide our heading content. Here, this whole block is called as element. This is called as starting tag. This is called as end tag. There are some HTML elements have no content. For example, break element. These elements are called as empty elements. These empty elements do not have an end tag. This we will see practically in our upcoming videos. So in HTML, everything should define inside elements only. Let's go back to document structure and see. This is a sample HTML page content. All HTML page must begin with this doc type element. This doc type space HTML element defines that this document is an HTML5 document. HTML5 is the latest version. And these elements tells the browser that this document type is an HTML type and this element is mandatory and HTML file should begin with this element. And every content of the HTML page should define inside this HTML element. This HTML element is the root element of HTML page. So all the content should define inside this element only. And head element contains other elements like title, style, meta, etc. Each we will see in our upcoming video. Here this title element used to specify title of the HTML page. This also we will see practically in our upcoming video. And body tag defines the document body. Body element contains all the content of HTML documents such as heading, paragraph, images, tables, etc. In our next video, we will see how to create an HTML page and execute it in browser. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.